Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can easily get a thumbnail from your video on VideoStar. So select the video that you want the thumbnail from, and then you're just going to go to the place where you want the thumbnail to be. So this, and then you're just going to press the camera button, and it's going to automatically save to your camera roll. And you're just going to also want to press set thumb to set it as your thumbnail on the VideoStar app. Press done, close it, and as you can see, it changes. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!